Hey guys, so this is going to be a super fun video. I'm going to try to create a full look using just mini makeup samples and travel size makeup products. I love collecting them, I find them super cute, and this is my makeup bag full of just minis. So let's see if I can create a whole look just using these products. Keep on watching. I've just separated everything according to what they are, and they look so cute, so tiny. To make this video a bit more interesting, I actually picked up this full set of brushes from Temu, and look at this, it looks like a mini version of the Real Technique brushes, and it's super cute. Look at this, guys. So let's see if I can actually use this in my video today. First up, I'm going in with some skin prep, and I'm just using some eye cream to hydrate my under eyes, and I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Eye Rescue. Next, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury facial oil for skin prep as well. Look at the cute pipette. And this is 3.5 ml. Of course, we have to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and this is a 7 ml sample. I love the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, it's one of my favorite moisturizers. Next we have primers, and I have a few options for primers, so let me just show you which ones I have. First, I have the e.l.f. Power Grip. Look at how small and cute this is, guys. I received this with one of my purchases that I made ages ago. I never knew that e.l.f. had travel size makeup. So this is the Niacinamide Power Grip. We also have the Vieve Skin Nova Primer, All Nighter Primer by Urban Decay. We have the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, Hourglass Airbrush Primer. We have the Becca Light Priming Filter. I feel like this was discontinued. I actually still have the full size version of this. And we have the One Size Blur Primer. So we have quite a few options. I'm not sure which one to go with. I've tried the e.l.f. Power Grip before, and also the Milk Hydro Grip, so I might try something different. I've been wanting to try the One Size Secure Blur Primer, so hopefully let's try this one out. This is 5 ml, guys. I feel like it would take up my whole face. Okay, it's a silicone consistency. I'm gonna just use it where my pores are. I don't really have obvious pores in my face, but I do like a blurring primer. I'm gonna add a bit of the Vieve Skin Nova primer as well to make my skin look a bit. Okay, this is quite interesting. It has a bit of a tint. Next, we're gonna go in with the brows, and for brows we have some Benefit products. We have the Benefit Brow Setter and the Benefit Gimme Brow. I'm going to use the Gimme Brow for tinting my eyebrows a little bit, and this is in the shade 4.5. Next, I'm going to go in with the 24-hour Brow Setter, because why not? Let's get these brows set. What do we have next? We have foundation, and I've got the YSL All Hours foundation. I picked up the full size of this, and they just gave me a sample, so let's go in with this. And this is the shade MW2. Let's actually use the brushes in this case. I'm gonna use this brush. The quality actually looks really good, and I think the brushes were around £5 on Temu. It's actually applying it really nicely. It's not streaky at all, and the shade match is insane. I haven't actually even tried my foundation yet. I just bought it and I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it out another day, so I guess this is a nice foundation. For the shade match, I think that it's not too bad. For summer it's fine, but obviously it's winter now and I have gone a little bit lighter. I'm happy that it's not actually separating, because I did use quite a lot of primer and moisturizers. Next is where I cheat, and I'm going to go in with the concealer, and this is the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I think this is the only product that's not a travel size. So let's just go in with some concealer. I actually had the travel size version of this Nars concealer, but I've run out. I'm going to go in with the same brush. to blend that out. Mini brushes actually work really well for concealer because obviously it's less space and it really gets in there. So that blended out really quickly. What should we do next? Next, I'm going to bronze up my face and I'm using the Milk bronzer. It's the cream version. And in the shade Baked. It's 3 grams of product. That this shade is a little bit light for my foundation at the moment, but it should do the job. When I buy my travel size makeup, I do keep in mind that it will go on holiday with me, and that's usually during summer, so my skin is a little bit darker. And for blusher, I'm using the most cutest thing ever. Is the Rare Beauty blush, and I think this is in the shade Encourage. I can't even remember where I got this from, but it's so cute. And Rare Beauty blush is highly pigmented, so I feel like this will last you a century. So I just blended out the blush, and I might go in with a little bit more blush because I am a blush girly and I like my blusher to be pigmented. I actually do like this color a lot. Now I'm gonna set my bronzer, and I'm using the Nars Laguna bronzer. I'm gonna use another brush to just set my bronzer. I feel like this is going to be a very nice holiday look. So I'm also going to use the Nars Orgasm blusher. I have the full size of this as well, and it's very buildable. So next I'm just setting my under eyes using the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder, and I've been wanting to try this powder for a very long time, so I've just picked up the mini version of this, and it is doing a nice job. It feels really smooth underneath the eye after application. I'm using my mini powder puff as well. How cute is this? I think I got this powder puff off TikTok or something, can't remember. Now I'm going to do my eyes. I wasn't too sure which products to use for my eyes, but recently I purchased this eyeshadow palette. It's from MUA, and they called it the travel size eyeshadow palette, so I thought this would be perfect. It's the MUA Neutral Wanderlust palette, and it has 5 different eyeshadows, which I think is perfect for traveling. So it has 3 mattes and 2 shimmers, and I love a shimmery eyeshadow look. Some of the shades, so I'm going to use the middle shade as a transition. I'm going to add the second shimmer all over my eyelid. Wow, that is so pretty. Okay, I'm actually obsessed with that shimmer. It looks so beautiful. I'm going to blend that out. So I actually got the Stila mini glitter eyeshadow, and I was going to use that as a top up, but I'm loving the way this MUA eyeshadow is looking at the moment, so I'm going to just get this. Next I'm going to use some Kohl, which is from Lancome. I haven't worn a Kohl eyeliner on my waterline for a very long time. It used to be super trendy, but I don't see many people wearing Kohl eyeliners anymore because I think everyone's going with the whole simple clean girl aesthetic. But I love Kohl underneath my eye. I think it really brings out my eye color. PSA, I think everyone should bring back Kohls and smoky eyes. Next up, I have 3 mascara options here. I have the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push Up Mascara. I have a Chanel mascara, and I have the Hourglass Extreme Lash Mascara. I'm not sure which one to go with. I might go with Chanel mascara because why not? It's Chanel. I'm gonna go in with some mascara on my lower lashes, and I feel like this brush size really helps on coating the lashes. We have some lip products here. I have 3 lipsticks and 1 lip oil, and for the lipsticks I have the Anastasia lipstick, and it's in the shade Kiss. It's a really nice nude lipstick. And then we have the very famous Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick, my Soul lipstick, which is a very nice classic red color. Let me go in with the Anastasia lipstick. I feel like the look is actually coming nicely together. This lipstick is pretty. Let's add some lip oil, and this is the Kosas lip oil. I just got the applicator dirty. I hate when that happens, but it's okay. Lastly, we have the setting spray, and I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, but this is the travel size version, so I'm not cheating, guys. That's it, guys, for this video using my mini makeup. I do like the way this look turned out, and I might actually take this on my next holiday to see how long it lasts and whether it can last a 1 week holiday. But if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe if you haven't already, and see you soon in my next video.